Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add more slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and we can see here a slide. Now we want to create more than slide in this presentation. You can go to the home menu, then click the new slide drop down menu. We can see here many slide. You can add any slide. Now I am select the title and slide or the title and content. Otherwise you can add slide another way. Click right button to the slide option and we can see here the new slide option. You can add slide to this option. Then again go back this new slide, choose another slide. Now we can see we add more slide very easily. You can add text to this slide. Click inside the text box and write any text. Now I am write some text. You can add the text to this text box. You can add picture, object or anything. Now I am select the picture option and added any picture. Now we can see we add more slides in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.